Some days just call for the deep, dark comfort of chocolate. And when you have a few sad, spotty bananas lolling about in the fruit bowl, it feels like a sign from the universe. This is not a time for complicated baking or precise patisserie. It is a time for something simple, something warm, something that feels like a hug in edible form. These banana chocolate muffins are precisely that. They have the squishy, tender heart of a banana cake, but with the rich, intense soul of a brownie. They are what happens when you need a treat, and you need it without a fuss. It's kitchen alchemy at its most rewarding. The beauty of these little cakes lies in their simplicity. They are not about showing off. They are about creating a moment of pure, unadulterated pleasure. Before we begin our gentle mixing and baking, let's gather our ingredients. Think of it as assembling your cast of characters for a small, comforting play. The star, of course, is the banana. For this, you need 3 large, very ripe bananas. I mean properly ripe, the ones that are almost black, freckled all over with sugar spots. This is not a time for pristine yellow bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter and more intensely fragrant your muffins will be. They will mash down into a beautiful, fragrant pulp that keeps everything incredibly moist. This simple recipe will yield 12 gorgeous muffins, perfect for sharing or for hoarding all to yourself. Now for the supporting cast, the wet ingredients that will bring everything together. 1/3 of a cup of unsalted butter, melt gently and allow to cool slightly. Hot butter can scramble the egg, and we want a smooth, cohesive batter. 1 large egg, beaten just enough to break it up. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, or use soft brown sugar for a lovely fudgy chewiness. A teaspoon of good vanilla extract, a small but deepening background note. Next, the dry ingredients, the foundation of our muffins. Now that our ingredients are all present and correct, the real pleasure begins. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's coming to temperature, prepare your muffin tin. Use paper liners, or grease the tin well with a little butter. Find a large bowl. Place your 3 ripe bananas in it. Take a moment to enjoy mashing them. Use a fork, or a potato masher if you have one handy. Mash until mostly smooth. A few small lumps are fine. Add the wet ingredients. Pour in slightly cooled melted butter. Add the sugar. Add the beaten egg. Add the teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir with a wooden spoon or a spatula. The moment has arrived to transform our dark, luscious batter into warm, fragrant cakes. Spoon-thick banana chocolate batter into the muffin tin. The filled muffin cups are ready to bake. Place your muffin tin into the center of your preheated oven. Let them bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. The exact time will depend on your oven, as they all have their own little personalities. You'll know they're ready when the tops are set. Insert a wooden skewer or toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. A few moist crumbs clinging to the skewer is perfectly fine. In fact, it's desirable. That tells you the muffins are moist and fudgy inside, not dry. When they are done, the kitchen will be filled with the most intoxicating aroma of warm chocolate and sweet banana. Carefully remove the tin from the oven. Please use oven mitts. The tin will be incredibly hot. Now, you must practice a tiny bit of patience. Let the muffins cool in the tin for just 5 minutes. Set a 5-minute timer while the muffins steam in the tin. This allows them to set up a little, making them easier to handle without falling apart. After 5 minutes have passed, it is time to move them. Ensure air circulates under the muffins on the rack so they cool evenly. Serving these little beauties is a joy in itself. My favorite way is to eat one while it is still warm, but not hot. Let them cool on the wire rack for at least 10 or 15 minutes. This is the perfect temperature where the chocolate is still soft and gooey, but the muffin holds its shape. A warm chocolate banana muffin needs no adornment, really. It is perfect as it is. However, a tall glass of cold milk alongside it is a classic pairing that never fails to delight. It's the taste of childhood, of after-school snacks, of simple, uncomplicated happiness. Of course, you can certainly dress them up if you are in the mood. A split muffin, Still warm, with a small pat of butter melting into its dark, crumbly interior, is a thing of beauty. They are also wonderful for a slightly more decadent breakfast, served alongside a cup of strong coffee or a pot of tea. A dollop of plain Greek yogurt can provide a lovely, tangy counterpoint to the rich chocolate.